Hello, welcome to CryptoBox channel. Before we proceed, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification to receive our crypto update. Shibnobi, trading as Shinja in the indices, is displaying bullish sentiments as it shot up plus 592.4% in the last 30 days. Shinja is on an upward spiral as investors are pouring in their money on the meme token. The future seems to be promising for Shibnobi if they maintain their hype for an extended period and do not fizzle out. Newer meme tokens are popping up like mushrooms in the market and can eclipse Shinja in a jiffy. However, Shibnobi has added good DeFi features that its holders can take advantage of in terms of profits. Investors can stake their holdings in the liquidity pool and earn growing rewards simultaneously. The live Shibnobi price today is $7.84 E15 with a 24-hour trading volume of $849,605. We update our Shinja to USD price in real time. Shibnobi is up 1.03% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 3333, with a live market cap of not available. The circulating supply is not available and the max supply is not available. As of currently, no data on trading volume or market capitalization is available, although Shinja coin trade volume was approximately $18 million in the last 24 hours. The coin's price will be determined by its listing on exchange platforms in the near future. Shinja coin can likely return well for investors if the firm can attract any supporters interested in its token swaps platform. The liquidity providers have an option to stake their LP tokens in secured pools to gain additional rewards concurrently. Shibnobi has an option of instant staking to earn passive income through reflections. On the Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon networks, Shibnobi is a coin that provides passive income. Its main use case is to provide a simple token exchange that works across all three chains. A base team and docs devs are working on this. Shinja is a relatively new meme token and it's hard to pinpoint its price moves. However, if it reaches the meme token investors base and shows its strength, a price rise is inevitable. Investors believe the token could be the next Dogecoin or Shiba Inu and generate profits in a similar fashion. Therefore, many investors are taking early entry positions in the hopes of making it big during the next bull run. Meme tokens are all the rage in 2021 and Shibnobi entered the market at the right place and the right time. The token was launched in November 2021 and is up plus 5,679.4%. It spiked to new numbers each week. The meme token received support from the Shiba Inu community as influencers are promoting it. Shibnobi is seen as an extension of SHIB despite the two tokens not being co-related. However, it is riding on the meme token frenzy that whipped the market and needs to keep its hype alive to survive. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive our newest updates.